by to make do with Mrs. Murphy. I'm working on a little miniature creature here, and I just wanted to take some time to talk to you about this. It is really fun working with smaller socks. It can be convenient. This one was made on a road trip in my lap. It was very nice to have a little bundle of items and be able to work on a small creature. And of course you met Rainbow Rabbit in the other video. And I recently got newborn socks at a flea market, and this is just so precious and adorable. I really wanted to share it with you. And I'm working on this one right now. You can see it underway. That's the way the sock goes, and we cut for the legs, and then are working on adding an arm. And so what I'm using now is a doubled embroidery floss for the stitching because the sculpture is getting so small. That's a more appropriate size material to work with. So remember, when you're attaching the second arm, you want to line it up for symmetry, looking at, do they feel about the same, and getting ready for surgery. So that's ready to sew on. Something I wanted to share with you is I was inspired to make twins, and I happen to know that twins aren't always identical completely, and so for this one I'll use this for the mouth, and then I was considering, because this remaining piece is what I'm going to get the ears from, and kind of inspired by Rainbow Rabbit, I was thinking about using this piece to make like ears like that. So I would fold it and think about it like this, and maybe hold the mouth there to try to visualize what am I going to be doing, and then look at how cute this one is, and do I want it to make it more similar by having the same ears. That's something to think about and consider in the design process of monkey making. So please always follow your heart, have fun. It's such an enjoyable process. Thanks for stopping by. Love you. Have a great day.